Welcome back to my channel. If anyone out there doesn't already know me by now, you should. I am just Josh, your humble driving instructor. Due to popular demand and requests, we are officially doing Ted on a Driving Lesson 2.0. It is a very special day today. We have a very special guest. If you haven't met him already, it's Ted. T-Dog.
I feel sweaty.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Happy?
Yeah, but why isn't the middle part in?
Can you put the left one down?
Yeah.
All the way to the floor.
Which left one?
That's the one you're touching. Yeah, there's a lever on the right. Can you push this lever down? See this lever?
Yeah.
Keep pushing that down as low as you keep going. Keep going, up and down, all the way. No, down. Down, then let go. What are we doing today?
Driving Instructor 2.9.
Driving
How do I
Instructor
start the car?
Okay. You know how you start the car. You've done this before, Ted. Not like that. That's better. Okay. So, we've got some hay bales today in the field. So there's a few things to dodge and dive and duck and dive around. Right, what do you need to do before you start changing gear?
I forgot.
Put the clutch down.
Which is the clutch?
You've got A, B, C. A for accelerator, B for brake, C for clutch. That's the gas. Get off that. Okay, so we're ready to go. We've got hay bales. We've got hay bales to dodge, dive, duck, and whatever else. And we're going to go for this. But Ted's just slowly learning how to get it in first. We might even do a bit of reverse bay parking. Let's see what happens. Are you ready? Okay, now this time, can you get your bites instead of lifting the clutch all the way up? Bring it up slowly until you hear the car go. Gently, gently, gently. Keep going. There. Stop. 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 So when you lift it all the way up, you're trying to make the car go forward, and it can't go forward because your handbrake's on. So you've got to keep it at the bite. So let's put the clutch back down, turn the car back on. Oh, you can't see, can you? You can't see. Let's get the, let's pump your seat up. Clutch back down.
I can see, Dad.
Look ahead. Let's go. Whoops, daisy.
How?
That was a cheeky stall. You tried to connect the wheels and the engine too fast. So you can't bring it up so fast. You've got to, that's it. Car back on. Get the bite. You're all good, you're in gear. Get the bite and then hold it at the bite. Once the car starts to move, hold it there, that's it. Hold it there. Hold it there, that's it. As the car starts to get, once the car gets up to 5, then you can come off. See your speed there? Remember, there's big hay bales and this car won't do well with a hay bale in the side of it or in the front of it, yeah? Well done, far better turning around those bales, far better. Just don't let go of the wheel, remember, turn back yourself.
How is it doing so fast when pushing it down so light?
Because that's how gentle you've got to be with the pedals. Same with the brake. Can we see if we can reverse between two bales? You've got to turn around like that. Can't you turn around this way? Turn around this way, there you are, you can see. Like that. So first we've got to put it in reverse. Clutch down. Into reverse. Good. Good man. Okay. Start going. Gentle, 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 gentle. Okay, you've got to be down a little bit on the clutch, okay? Up, down a bit on the clutch. Down. Get the clutch down. Is it down? Good, that's it. See how it slows you down? That's how you do it, okay? Gentle, gentle. So you've got to bring it back up a little bit and then you go back down. Good. Gentle. That's not gentle. Doesn't feel too gentle to me.
How do I stop? Dad, can I just stop reversing?
You don't like reversing? Why not?
I'm scared.
What are you scared of?
I want to cross into a hay bale. Anyway, I've gone through two.
Okay. Well done.
So can I have a bit of a last?
Go into first then. Go into first. Clutch down. Did you want to do a little bit of second gear first or not?
Once I've had a bit of a rest on there, yeah.
Well, once we're resting, that's kind of it. Let's do one more lap.
One more lap?
Yeah. So go right round the outside of that hay bale, round the outside, outside. This way, outside. Yeah, and then go around it. That's it. Stay right on the outside of the field, all the way around the outside, over here, that's it. And when you're ready, if you do your clutch down, and then gear into second gear towards me and down.
Pardon?
Clutch all the way down, and then you want the gear stick towards me and down. Pull the gear stick, push the gear stick towards me.
Oh.
Yeah. Is your clutch down? Your clutch isn't down, dude.
Okay, 1 sec. Okay, so put the clutch down.
Yep. Towards me and down. Carry on, gentle. Bring the clutch back up. Okay, we've gone we've gone too slow for a second, but I'm going to help you just manage it. Okay. Well done. There we go. Where you going? You're parking up. Clutch down.
No.
That is the end of episode 2 of Ted on a Driving Test 2.0. Thank you very much, Ted.
Peace out. Look out for episode 3 now, because we're definitely doing it.
Definitely doing it. Subscribe,
We're doing it faster than we did the second one.
like and subscribe.
It's probably been about a month since that.
See you all
Probably
soon.
about 5 months since the first episode. So.
Peace.